How to delete the VLC Media Player from your Windows. So hey guys, if you want to delete the VLC Media Player from Windows 11, then you need to follow the steps listed out in this video. So the first thing you need to do is head on to your Windows settings. So to do this, click on to the window option and from here simply choose the settings. Then under the settings, you need to click onto this apps tab. Then under the apps, you can see the installed apps option. So simply click onto the installed apps option and from here simply choose for VLC. Once you have searched for VLC and the VLC media player shows up, you need to click onto these three dots over its name and then you will have the option to uninstall it. So simply click onto the uninstall button and then it will ask you again if you are sure to uninstall this app. So simply click onto the uninstall button again and then you need to choose the yes option. So once you have done this, you can see that the VLC media player is being uninstalled. Then to proceed, you need to click onto the next button in the dialog box and from here you have another option to delete the preferences and cache also. So currently I am not deleting any preferences and cache. If you want to do this, you can check mark this option and then click onto this uninstall button right here. And once you will do this, you can see that the VLC Media Player has been successfully uninstalled. Once done with this, click onto the Finish button and you can see that the VLC Media Player has been removed from the installed apps list. So that's how easy it is to uninstall the VLC Media Player from your Windows computer. So if this video was of any help to you, do make sure to give it a like. Tell us in the comment how it went for you and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.